everyone, this is Yuki from Durmapress. Today I would like to introduce our favorite laser tube cutting machine for you. Tubes and pipes, the essential framework of modern industry. But traditional cutting is slow, limited, and inaccurate. It's time for a revolution. This is the perfection redefined. Our machine uses a high-power laser to effectively cut through round, square, and rectangular tubes. Okay, next is finish the product display. Let's have a look. Dun, 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 dun. Perfect holes, precise meters, all in one single setup. Attractive appearance and customizable options. As long as we know your pipe diameter, we can recommend a suitable chop for you. That's all our cutting machine. If you are interested, please contact me. Bye bye.